Hey guys, welcome to a technology welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to show icon on a desktop in a Windows 10 or how to add your Windows 10 desktop icon shortcut in your Windows 10s if your computer desktop icon is missing. So what kind of the way you will approach to add your desktop icon or my computer on your desktop? Let's see in this video tutorials. First and foremost guys, you will have to come in a search bar of your Windows 10 and simply here write control panel. So just I will write a CO and it will give you opportunity to click on a control panel. Then after coming here you will have to click on appearance and personalizations. So just I will click here. Now just you have to go for turn high, contrast on, off. So I will click here. Now see guys, we have opportunity to come on a theme option. So first is a background, second is a color, third one is a lock screen, and fourth one is your theme. So just I will click on a fourth option, that is theme. So let's see now. It has been, just let me click on a theme. Now see guys here, what I will do, we have a one option related setting, and there simply I will click desktop icon setting, and here we have to select this one if it has been deselected. So I will select here this one's my computer, yeah, only computer. Then I will go for apply it, then I will click on OK. I will check it out that it has been added on your desktop or not. So now see finally guys, it has been added on our desktop, and when I click here, this is your my computer icons. So this is an easy way to add your my computer icon on your computer Windows 10s. So this is all about in this video tutorial. For the more similar video, if you would like to have on these channels, then please hit the subscribe buttons, and further if you have any inquiry, then of course you can raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to the query. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive is how you will go for here add if missing your desktop icon on a Windows 10s. So this is way to approach to add this icon on your desktops. This is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed for watching these tutorials. Have a great times.